So everybody of class 3, open the math magic book and the page number is 158. Filling pots. Okay. So, see here, there are two children, Nazim and Abdul had to fill their pots each with water. Both pots were equally big and heavy. So, they went to the tap again and again, filled their own bottles and poured water into the pot. So, underline the line, both pots were equally big and heavy. Both the pots are equally big and heavy. It means the size of both the pots are equal. Now Nazim had to fill her bottle 16 times. Means if Nazim want to fill her pot, that time she has to go to fill her own bottle 16 times. Okay, means 16 times water needs to fill her pot, and Abdul had to go 8 times because Abdul had to go less number of times to the tap, because Abdul water bottle is bigger in size. Can you see the difference between the water bottle? Both they have. What is the basic difference they have? By seeing the look at the picture, we can easily say that what is the basic things. Tell me fast. Tell me the things. What is the basic difference? Everybody should answer it. Don't stay quiet. Their size, Daksha. Very good. So, obviously the first question they ask, why did Nazim go more times than Abdul? Can you tell me, student, that why Nazim go more time than Abdul? What the reason? Tell me in a word, in a little word, and then I will explain it. Okay, so as because its size, isn't it? Yes. So what you can write down here, for answer you can write down that Nazim's bottle is smaller in size than Abdul bottle, so she had to go more times, more number of time. Okay. Now the next question, that Nazim's bottle can hold how much water? As much as Abdul's bottle. Is it the half water of the Abdul's bottle, or double water of Abdul water bottle, or thrice, means 3 times more water than Abdul's bottle? It's Arindam Bhagat. Better check that whether your view is grid view or not. Change your view as a grid view. If it is still not okay, then cut the call, I mean disconnect the call, and then after rejoin the class once again. Half water. How we can say that it's half water? As because Nazim had to fill her bottle 16 times and Abdul had to fill his bottle 8 times. Means Abdul needs half number of times. So that's why Nazim's bottle means hold less water. So it's half. Okay. So Nazim's bottle can hold half water as much as Abdul's bottle can hold. Okay. Now come to the next page. Okay. Come to, sorry, not next page. How many glasses? So have you seen these types of pot? See, A pot and B pot. Have you seen ever these types of earthen or clay pot? Have you seen ever? Yes. Okay. Now there are two pots. Okay. One pot is A and another pot is B. Now can you say me what's the difference between the pots that has been given on your book? What is the difference they have? Their size. Okay, yes. Now say me which one is bigger in size, and which one is smaller in size? Tell me. A B pot is smaller than A pot. Very good. Anushka. Okay. Now here it's what's the information they given us. Pot B hold 11 glasses of water. So if I think, I can't draw that much well, but still if I try to draw, so this is pot A and this is pot B. So obviously the size of the pot B is smaller than A. Now they are saying that pot B holds 11 glasses of water. Means it can hold 11 glasses. Okay? And A. And now pot A holds twice as much water as pot B. As much as pot B. So what's the relation? That A can hold twice of B. TWICE. Twice of B pot means 2 times of B pot. So we will multiply 11 with 2 and it will become 22 glasses of water. Okay? 22 glasses of food. 11:30. Yes. So in the blank what you can write down? How many glasses of water are needed to fill pot A? How many glasses of water are needed to fill pot A? It's 22 glasses. So what you have to be do? You have to be just 11 into 2. Show the process. Okay? 22 glasses of water. Okay? Glasses of water. Now, is it done? Now come to the next page. Filling potholes. Next page. Page number 159. Okay? FILLING. Filling potholes. So have you ever seen potholes on the road? You will see lots, isn't it? In Bardhaman, from Bardhaman station to our school, there are lots of potholes over there, and it becomes very dangerous during the time of rains, isn't it? Because whenever it rains, the hole become full. So we couldn't understand that whether it's how much deep holes are over there. Sometimes it makes accidents. Okay, now see, there is a small town near Kohima. Have you ever seen the name of the place, Kohima? Have you ever heard name like this, Kohima? It's a very interesting name. I also know. So let's see their story. What's the story they have? There are some potholes in the road. Okay, so you can see that they shown you the road and also the potholes. Before the rains comes, children want to fill the holes with pebbles. They brings pebbles in mugs of the same size. Okay, now you can see that they have given 3 holes. Now hole A gets filled with 9 mugs of pebbles. Means hole A need how many mugs? 9 mugs. Okay, underline this line in your book. Now hole B 18 mugs. Hole C is 12 mugs. Okay, so means hole A needs to fill the hole A, the children needs 9 mugs. For fill up the hole B, they needs 18 mugs, and for fill up the hole C, they needs 12 mugs. Now, can you guess, student, that which hole is bigger in size? I mean, which one is the biggest hole? Which one? Which one is the biggest hole? Can you see? Can you tell me? Hole A. Why hole A? Hole A needs only 9 mugs to fill up the holes. Look at there. Which hole needs more pebbles? Yes. Hole B needs more number of pebbles. So in your book, you can see if if it is the road. Can you see? Okay. So here is one hole. Okay. Then here is the another one, and here is the another one. Okay. Now say me which hole is biggest. This hole will be B hole. Okay. So write down B, and which one is little bit small than the B hole? Which one is little bit smaller than B hole? This hole. So this hole become C hole, because this need 12 marks, and the smallest one is A hole. Okay. So the first question they told you, mark A, B, C on the right hole in the picture. So in your book, whatever the pictures has been given, inside the hole, write down which one is which hole. The biggest one is B hole. Then after that, little bit small than B hole is C hole, and which one is the smallest one is A hole. Then after that, the second question, that which is the biggest pothole? Which is the biggest pothole? B is the biggest, biggest potholes. Okay. Now the question is, if jugs are used, hole A gets filled with 5 jugs. How many jugs of pebbles are needed to fill hole B? Means if now they use jugs, not mugs. Okay. If they use jugs, that time this A hole need 5 jugs. 5 jugs of pebbles. Okay. Now they are saying that if it is not 5, needs 5 jugs, then B hole will need how many jugs? Now we will see the relation between A and B jugs. Okay. Now see, A hole need 9 mugs and B hole needs 8 mugs. Means 9 to the 18. 9 to the 18. Means B hole is double of A hole. Isn't it? So here also it will become double, and it will become 5 into 2 equal to 10 jugs. It will become 10 jugs. Okay, B jugs means the third answer will be, can you see my handwriting? Is it clear to all of you? 10 jugs. 10 jugs. Okay. So this is for today. So with this we just completed our this chapter. On the next day we will do can we share, and for that some math we will do inside the book and some we will do inside the copy. Okay, so book and copy, stay ready for the next class. Okay, okay, that's all for today. Bye bye all of you.